In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily block emails from some particular person using your iPhone's Mail app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Mail app. And right there in the inbox, if you got some email and you don't want to get future emails from that particular user, all you have to do is just swipe to the left on that email, then hit add more, and then scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find the block sender. You can just tap on it to block that particular sender, and from now you will not get any messages from them. Also, there is another way how you can do the same and how you can add the contact to block list manually. So to do that, just open up settings, then scroll down until you find Mail, then scroll down again and get into Blocked. That will show you all users that you have blocked by their phone number and email address as well, and that's where you can add new user to that list. Just hit where it says Add New. That will open up your contacts book, and then you can just select any user to add them to that list. Also, from here you can tap on Edit, and if you want to unblock some user, you can easily do so by hitting at that minus signs and selecting Unblock. Once you finish, just don't forget to hit Add Done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.